Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about what happens if your vehicle doesn't start. With today's electronically controlled vehicles, it's far less likely that you'll have a vehicle that doesn't start. But if you do, it can be far more technical figuring out what's going on and why the vehicle doesn't start. There is so many different options when it comes to electronically controlled vehicle, from computer to sensor problems causing a no start, fuel pump failures, no fuel pressure causing a no start, something as simple as a starter motor failure or battery failure, items like that. But some of the things that we want to mention today we're talking about is helping the service facility diagnose your vehicle, such as, does the vehicle, when you turn the key, nothing happens? When you turn the key, does the vehicle crank and not start? These items can help get your vehicle diagnosed properly along the way, and you may want to take notes of some of these things. A couple other things we often see is if you switch up keys, it may not be programmed properly and may be an issue. So we often ask our customers, are you using the same key? Has something happened since then? Sometimes we find items like that that cause a no start on a vehicle. Just make sure and keep these in mind. That way you can help us diagnose your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.